Hi, this is Roger from rcbryan.com, and I'm standing here in the 30th Street Heliport in Midtown Manhattan, waiting for Donald Trump's helicopter. I'm going to be flying down to the Trump Vineyards with Eric Trump, where we're going to be talking about internet marketing for multinational corporations. They say that most internet marketers live in their parents' basements, and I'm here to tell you that there's a lot of us succeeding with corporate SEO and working with multinational brands. If you'd like to learn more about the services that we offer, you can reach me at 1-888-RC-BRYAN or rcbryan.com. That's RCBRYAN, and I'll see you down in Virginia. Thank you.
Very funny. Are you guys doing everything well?
Everything's outstanding.
Glad to be here. Yeah. They started the system and they totally
well, they did. They're actually having So, we'll be with you shortly, and the wine is very close, so it'll be a great time. So thank you all for coming for this amazing, magical experience, and this is going to be a fine 2 days. So thank you.
Welcome, guys.